You want to roll mommy a cookie? Want to make a cookie? Yeah! You want to make a cookie? Want to make a cookie? You want to make mommy a cookie for Valentine's? Yeah! That's a yes, huh? Make mommy a cookie for Valentine's? You want to make mommy a cookie for Valentine's? Yeah! Sugar cookie! Sugar cookie! Sugar cookie for mommy. Valentine's cookie. Yeah! Sounds fun, huh? Exciting.